Hi guys, it's Gaming Night 7. Today I'm not doing gaming. Today I am doing some blade cleaning. So what I'm using to do my blade cleaning is Mr. Muscle. You can use anything else. I was using oven cleaner. You can get it cheaper if you had a Poundland or something. But anyway, that's what I've got. That's what I've got for me. Anyway, let's give it a go. Sorry, I'm going to camera stand today. Don't accept good results. Unfortunately, put you down. You up? Right. Just spray it all the way around. Because this is, not sure it's not got that much because it's not just the resin build up, there's quite a lot of rust build up. I recommend using a mask, this type of stuff. But, just be careful. Just give it about 30 seconds. And basically you start seeing, I can see a little bit over there, some of the brown stuff lifting up. That'll do. Right. It'll be very difficult this. Oh, can you see all that brown stuff? Look at that. So I'm gonna do, you've seen it will look like before, I'm gonna do a recording after. Okay? There you go. Not too bad after one scrub, about 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, more scrubs you do, more you remove. So I left it like that. Once you've scrubbed it, yeah, about 5 to 10 minutes, just give it a rinse with water, dry off with a towel. There you go. Now that's not bad. It used to be a lot worse than that. So spend about a few pounds, about £1 or £3 or whatever you want to spend on some cleaning. That makes a lot of difference to your blades. But I say I'll probably going to do it about 4 or 5 times or 3 or 4 times. You know, after that you might want to resharpen the blade, but this just gives you a bit more time. Saves you a bit of money. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's become useful. See you later. Bye.